Welcome back to the Von Regan Kitchen. And I'm here today to teach you a very easy appetizer. It only has 3 ingredients and it is scrumptious. So the ingredients are right in front of me. It's roasted asparagus, provolone cheese, and prosciutto. Prosciutto, did I say that right? So what you do first is you roast the asparagus at 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's tender or a little bit golden brown, however you like your asparagus. If it's thinner asparagus, it might cook a little bit quicker. Then as the asparagus is cooking, you get your prosciutto out, and then you get your provolone out, and then you cut the provolone into thirds, each slice of cheese. After the asparagus is cooled, then you wrap your asparagus. And what I call this appetizer is prosciutto, provolone, asparagus wraps. You can serve it room temperature, or if you like it a little bit warm, you can pop them back in the oven after you wrap them for just a minute or 2 to start to melt the cheese, and then serve them a little bit warmer. This is great served as an appetizer or as a side to an entree. Let's dive in and wrap our prosciutto, provolone, asparagus wraps. So I first start with taking about 3 to 5 asparagus stalks, and I base this on how thick they are. So if they're thicker asparagus stalks, I will take like 3 of them. If they're thinner asparagus stalks, I'll take like 5 or 6. You're gonna take a piece of prosciutto, a slice of the provolone, lay your asparagus to one side, and then you're gonna roll. And you wanna keep it pretty tight. And voila, just like that. So I'm gonna finish rolling these and then we can check back in. Look how beautiful. And what I love about this is it's fast with a few ingredients and it's flavorful. Just 3 ingredients, so simple to whip up. This is my favorite side dish to serve with a brunch menu. It pairs with any brunch item you can think. Plus, you'll whip it up in no time. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Don't forget, smash that subscribe, like, and comment below with the next video you want to see. Bye for now, fam.